Good evening, magandang gabi. This is gonna be a short video. Magpa-practice lang tayo on how to say flip-flops, shoes, and boots sa Tagalog. So, let's start. Yesterday or kahapon, Mom and I went to the store and she was looking for flip-flops. So, I decided to take video clips so we can learn some Tagalog words while we're in the store. And to say flip-flops sa Tagalog, chinelas, chinelas, ne-las, chinelas. Ito ay mga chinelas. Chinelas.
Ito is small.
So, Mom was trying these flip-flops or chinelas and I asked her, does it fit? Kasya ba? Kasya. Kasya. Kasya ba? Does it fit? Kasya ba?
Wala sa art.
Kasya?
Kasya. Pero wala sa art yung buwan niya. Dapat siguro.
If you find yourself shoe shopping or shopping for clothes and you're with someone and you wanna say, here, try this on. Try this or try this on. Isukat mo or isukat mo to. Isukat mo to. Try this on. I-su-kat. Isukat mo to. Whatever that is. Try this on. Mama, ito, isukat mo.
Ito, malaki yan.
Malaki?
Malaki.
And to say shoes, sapatos. Sapatos. Sa-pa-tos. Sapatos. Ito naman, mga sapatos. Sapatos. And before we left, I also saw boots or bota. 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 Yun, mga yun, mga bota. Ito rin, mga bota for
Pambata.
kids. Tara na. Yan lang. That's it for tonight. And good night everyone. Good night na.